Hey, what's up everybody? It's Bake Monkey coming back at you again with our Girl Scout cookie series. Today we're doing a lot of people's favorite, the Tagalong, which is a nice shortbread cookie, sweetened peanut butter topping, and then covered in a nice thin chocolate shell. So we're going to start with the cookie here. Butter or butter alternative, sugar, and flour are the three main ingredients in the cookie. Give that all a good mix in. After you mix your stuff, keep your bowl scraper handy because you're going to want to scrape down the sides. This just keeps all the ingredients more well incorporated together. As you're watching this, if you find yourself asking, Bake Monkey, are you some kind of hand model or something? You have beautiful hands. The answer is no, not officially, but I have been trying to work my way into the industry for years. When you add your flour, you don't want to mix it in with the mixer. That would make kind of a tough cookie, so we're going to fold this in with our bowl scraper. Gives you a more delicate, soft cookie crumble, which any good shortbread should have. Now when you're shaping your cookies, you want to make sure and get your thumb in the middle of it to give it a little divot, somewhere for that delicious peanut butter mixture to sit after you bake them. Throw those little babies in the oven, and once they turn into sweet little golden girls, you pull them out, and let's start the peanut butter mixture. Good music selection, Bake Monkey. Is this making anybody else's hips want to swing? If so, just let them go. We're all just having fun here. That's good. Yeah. Add equal parts peanut butter to powdered sugar, which in my case was 2 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons. You don't want the peanut butter mixture to be sticky to your fingers, so get it to where it's smooth and you can kind of roll it on your palms and form it into the cookies without it sticking too much to your hands. And those girls are looking lovely. Now we're going to move on to the chocolate. About half a cup of chocolate is what you're going to need for this. Add your coconut oil after you microwave it for a minute or so. You want this to be a nice, smooth, kind of drippy consistency, so you can dip your cookies in there and it'll kind of drip off nice and smoothly and evenly. If your mouth isn't watering yet, you might want to see a doctor because, oh mama. Transfer these glossy little beauties to a separate piece of parchment paper so you don't end up with a thick chocolate glob on the bottom of them after you refrigerate them. And last thing to do with these is refrigerate them and take them out and enjoy whenever you want. Hey, subscribe to my channel. It's easy, it's free, and there's a lot of great iconic desserts to come. And it'd make me feel good, so go ahead and do that just as a favor to the old Bake Monkey here. Have a great day. Enjoy your time in the kitchen, everybody.